everyone, welcome to my channel Chanakya Mentor. Today I am going to talk about very interesting topic, that is solar system. Planets, satellites, asteroids, meteors, comets which are moving around the sun is called solar system. British astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus discovered the solar system in 1532. The solar system has 8 planets. Pluto is considered as dwarf planet. Spiral shaped galaxy is Milky Way. Nearest galaxy is Andromeda. Black hole at the center of every galaxy is Sagittarius. Dwarf planet is Pluto, removed by IAU in 2006. Nearest to Sun, Mercury. Farthest to Sun is Neptune. Terrestrial planets, and they are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. It's nearest to Sun. Planets outside the belt are called as Jovian planet, and they are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. How long does it take sunlight to reach Earth? The short answer is that it takes sunlight an average of 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87.97 days, the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. A satellite is a moon, planet or machine that orbits a planet or star. 4th October 1957, the Soviet Union launched the world's first artificial satellite. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty and is only the planet named after a female. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate on its axis, which is by far the slowest of any of the major planets. Venus and Earth are often called twins because they are similar in size, mass, density, composition and gravity. Brightest star in solar system is also known as morning and evening star. Our home planet, Earth, is a rocky terrestrial planet. Earth is the 5th largest planet in our solar system. Earth has only one satellite, the Moon, but it also has a couple of temporal artificial planets. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being only larger than Mercury. Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the Red Planet. Mars also has the largest volcanoes in the solar system, Olympus Mons being one of them. The 2 moons of the Mars, Phobos and Deimos, were discovered by astronomer Asaph Hall. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. Great Red Spot is a gain storm bigger than Earth that has reached 400 of years. Jupiter's 4 largest moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto, were first observed by the astronomer Galileo Galilei. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas gain less density than water. Saturn has 53 confirmed moons with 29 additional provisional moons awaiting confirmation, 82 with the formal designation. Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun. It has 3rd largest planetary radius and the 4th largest planetary mass in the solar system. Uranus was discovered in 1781 by William Herschel. Uranus is an ice-giant planet and nearly 4 times larger than Earth. Uranus has 27 known moons, most of which are named after literary characters. Famous moons are Miranda, Ariel, and Ambri. Neptune is the eighth and farthest known planet from the Sun in the solar system. Neptune, like Uranus, is an ice giant. It's similar to gas giant. Neptune was discovered in 1846 by Albin Le John Couch Adams, and Johann Galle. Its largest moon is Triton. Neptune has 14 known moons. Pluto is categorized as a dwarf planet in 2006. Pluto was categorized with 3 other objects in the solar system that are about the same small size as Pluto: Ceres, Makemake, and Eris. These objects, along with the Pluto, are much smaller than the other planets. Pluto is just one of many icy objects in a distant area of our solar system. Pluto is a dwarf planet that lies in the Kuiper belt. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon. Very all the best. Thanks for watching.